Well, it is Thursday, and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning, arguing a motion that went pretty long. We were successful in the motion, and I believe the case is in very good shape moving forward on to trial. With that said, back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, put out a blog article regarding the 4 common offenses that we see during the football season. As most of you are aware, tonight the Philadelphia Eagles open their season against the Minnesota Vikings in Philadelphia, and I thought it was a good opportunity to put out a blog regarding the common offenses that we see during a football season. They include drunk driving, disorderly conduct, underage drinking, and criminal mischief. Now, in our experience, typically these are committed pre-game and post-game, and it's because typically football games, especially night football games, are associated with some heavy drinking and consumption of food, and people just getting a little too excited when it comes to the game, win or lose. Now, with that said, there's also an increased police presence on all major highways, I-95, I-76, and even the streets in and around the stadium. Now, in addition, millions of people are watching the game from their home, their TV, or their electronic devices, many people now do, and they're having parties and drinking. And when you mix drinking and just people in groups and large groups, things can happen like drunk driving, underage drinking, and criminal mischief. Now, as I wrote in the article, which I'll link into this video as always, most of these offenses are misdemeanor offenses. Some of them are summary offenses, and sometimes they're even felony offenses. Criminal mischief can actually be treated as a felony offense if it involves the destruction of a public piece of property, and that destruction causes a major inconvenience or a shutdown of some type of public utility or transportation, like a subway or a traffic light. For instance, climbing on a traffic light and taking it out can cause substantial damage. So we get in the felony area. DUI, for the most part, in Pennsylvania and New Jersey is a misdemeanor offense. In New Jersey, it's actually a traffic offense, but it can be graded as a felony offense, but very new. In Pennsylvania, if it's your 3rd offense within 10 years. So, in addition, underage drinking, we see that a lot of college kids who aren't yet 21 want to celebrate the Eagles, come to Philadelphia, think that because there's large crowds, the police are not going to see them, and they drink, have parties, thinking nothing of it, and they get cited for underage drinking and have to appear in Philadelphia Municipal Court, and causes great expense to either them or their parents, who have already invested a substantial amount of money in their education if they're attending school in Philadelphia or the surrounding counties. So the point of the article is to kind of lay out the elements of the offenses, the penalties, and consequences. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, our podcast, we have over 500 videos available on our YouTube website, and it is a fantastic resource that we make available to our clients and our families, because we believe that an educated client is the best possible position to receive a great result. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. Do not give consent to search your person or your property, including your vehicle, but do so in a polite manner. If police want to search your car, make it clear that you're not giving consent, but do not get in their way. Do not put your hands on the officer. Do not argue with the officer. Just remain silent. Don't make any statements. You're under no obligation to tell the officer anything, but give your license, registration, and proof of insurance. So once again, have a great time. Please enjoy the game responsibly. And again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. And again, please enjoy the game responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.